Malaki, malaki
Ang?
ang
Malaki ang
house
house is
bahay.
bahay.
Mala bahay.
Ah,
Mala bahay.
anong balaba? Are you ready to go to your audiology? We arrived, Daddy. You say, we made it. We're here now in the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. I'm shaking, oh. It's my first time. I'm always stressed when I'm driving. Especially if I don't know too many roundabouts and stuff. Oh my God. I think at least 15 roundabouts. Oh my God. Maybe. Love you. Love you. I love you, Daddy. Be safe going to work. Dali. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, we're going now. We just arrived. We arrived now here in, where are we? Queen Elizabeth II Hospital 2.
To hospital.
Yes, for your,
Checkup.
yes, audiology.
Checkup.
Yes. This is the Queen Elizabeth. Oh. It says Queen. Crazy. What happened? It's still, oh, this is Queen Elizabeth. Why you're laughing? Because I, please drive, car parking is free. Ah, okay. Parking is free. Please drive straight out when you Queen Elizabeth. There's the toilet. We went to the red zone. As for the instruction, we're going to the this says yellow and red and blue. We're going to red. Wait, red first floor. Is this one? Lift? Ah, thank you.
Thank you.
We're waiting for our turn. Huh? We're waiting. They told us to sit down. Yes. And you're gonna be waiting patiently. Patient. Okay. Huh?
Mommy, you have to be quiet.
Why?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What is he doing? Who is that?
Dumbledore.
Are you sure? Who, whom did you bring? What characters? The truck with?
Toys inside.
What's inside?
Harry Potter.
New game for today?
I Spy with My Little Eye.
Okay. I spy. Your turn first.
I spy with my little eye something is a orange.
Something orange?
This one.
Ah, the lady wearing orange. Okay.
Now your turn, Mom.
Okay. Hearing
You're hearing
test. And you got you got a sticker because it says you're perfect. Oh, come on.
both of them.
Hearing test. Oh, come on now. We have to wait for the ENT doctor now. But your tests are normal, all normal, perfect.
Then they will put
Home. Thank you, Lord, for a safe drive home. We made it na. And then this is your prize for reward for
hearing test.
for the you did well in the test na. Well done. One of your prizes. One of your prizes. Ah,
Please.
okay. Before, di ba you don't like ice lollies?
People change their mind.
People change their minds.